Here are the top 10 castor oil beauty benefits for skin and hair. 1. Nourishes dry skin. Castor oil works as a great moisturizer for dry skin. As it penetrates deep into the skin, it is effective at treating dry, flaky skin patches. The high concentration of fatty acid also promotes healthy and glowing skin and helps with skin conditions like dermatitis, which can cause severely rough, dry skin. Also, this oil promotes the production of elastin and collagen, which help delay the appearance of aging signs and keeps your skin looking youthful. Mix equal parts of castor oil and coconut oil and massage it into the dry skin area. Wait 20 to 30 minutes, then take a shower. Repeat daily. After removing your makeup and washing your face at night, apply a few drops of castor oil on your face and massage gently for a couple of minutes. The next morning, you will have a hydrated and refreshed look. 2. Reduces wrinkles. This natural emollient can reduce the appearance of crow's feet, wrinkles and fine lines. As this oil easily penetrates the skin layers, it will not clog the pores. In fact, it can reach deep into the skin to nourish it. It also helps reduce the appearance of blemishes and scars on skin. Gentle massage your skin with a few drops of castor oil in circular motion daily at night before going to sleep. Continue doing this for at least 4 to 6 months to get the desired results. 3. Promotes hair growth. Apart from skin, castor oil is also good for your hair. It helps deep condition and thicken the hair strands to give you a beautiful and shiny head of thicker hair. The retinoleic acid in it helps balance the scalp's pH level. This reduces the risk of dandruff, split ends and hair breakage. Massage warm castor oil into the roots, scalp and hair before going to bed. Wash it off in the morning. Do it twice a week. For those with oily hair, mix castor oil with coconut oil or sweet almond oil in equal proportions and use as described above. 4. Thickens eyebrows and eyelashes. If you want thicker eyebrows and eyelashes, your solution is castor oil. This follicle-stimulating and